You still counting your LinkedIn followers on one hand? What if I told you there's a secret formula that could skyrocket that number to over 1,000 engaged professionals almost overnight? Hey everyone, my name is Cole, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to supercharge your LinkedIn presence and attract thousands of followers who are genuinely interested in what you have to share. Ready to pump those numbers up? Let's dive in. All right, your LinkedIn profile is more than just a digital resume. It's the foundation of your professional online presence. So let's refine and revamp it to ensure you're making the most out of every opportunity to connect and impress. Starting with the basics, regularly update your profile to reflect any new skills, projects, or achievements you have. An updated profile shows that you are active and engaged in your professional growth, which makes you more attractive to potential employers, collaborators, and connections. Next, optimize your LinkedIn profile to make it compelling and visible. Choose a professional, engaging profile photo and a banner that reflects your professional identity or current projects, making a strong first impression. For your headline, make sure to do more than just display your job title. Make it reflect your expertise and what you bring to the table. Not only that, but be sure to follow this with a compelling profile summary that narrates your professional journey, highlights your achievements, and includes keywords to enhance your visibility to the right audience. And lastly, make the most out of the featured content section on your profile. This is an excellent place to highlight your best content and not only showcase your professional accomplishments, but also share valuable resources. By strategically placing call to action content here, you can effectively drive leads or direct traffic to a desired location. All right, let's begin by clearly defining your LinkedIn goals. Are you aiming to establish yourself as a thought leader, accelerate your sales, or maybe create meaningful industry connections? Guys, knowing precisely what you want to achieve here will steer every post you share and every interaction you initiate. Now, imagine having a clear set of goals. How do you turn these into a thriving LinkedIn network? Well, it starts with being intentional about who you connect with. This isn't just about adding followers, it's about connecting with the right people. These are individuals who will not just follow, but actively engage with your content and add tangible value to your network. But let's make this practical. Take a moment to think about your top goal on LinkedIn right now. Got it? Next, identify who would be most impacted by what you have to offer. These insights will transform how you engage on LinkedIn. Instead of casting a wide net, you'll be fishing with precision, catching the types of followers who are most aligned with your professional goals. Remember, consider each follower a potential collaborator, client, or friend who can propel your business or career forward. Expanding your network is crucial. So start by identifying leaders and influencers within your industry, as well as peers whose content and career paths align with your interests, and use LinkedIn's search features to connect with these professionals effectively. Regularly send personalized connection requests, noting your interactions or specific appreciation for their content. This personal touch can significantly increase acceptance rates, demonstrating your genuine interest in forming a professional relationship. Now, to help you expand your network even faster, go on LinkedIn search and filter by people within your niche and target demographic. This can include location, connections and followers of, industry, you name it. This will allow you to generate a more targeted list of potential connections. From here, you can either manually connect with each person, or you can save yourself some time and automate the process. To do that, simply copy the LinkedIn URL of your search result and paste it into an automation software like Phantom Buster that will automatically send connection requests on your behalf. Just create an account and log in, search for the LinkedIn search to lead connection automation, and let the tool do the hard work. Now, once you've started following the right people, the next step is to engage with their content actively. This doesn't mean just scrolling through your feed. It means interacting in meaningful ways. Like their posts, share their content with thoughtful commentary, and contribute to discussions. Engaging regularly helps you build visibility among your connections and their networks, gradually positioning yourself as an active member of your professional community. When you comment on a post, bring value to the conversation. Offer insights, ask questions, or provide constructive feedback. High-quality comments can generate discussions and draw far more viewers to your profile. The more responses you generate, the more comments will appear in other people's feeds. Now, if you're looking for the fastest way to find the highest quality potential connections, look no further than LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Its advanced search capabilities surpass basic LinkedIn searches, helping you identify and connect with potential leads more efficiently. Don't have a Sales Navigator subscription? No worries, you can test it out for 30 days with LinkedIn's free trial. Okay, once you're logged into Sales Navigator, you'll start by setting your filters to match your ideal follower. For example, if we're targeting sales reps at medium-sized tech companies based in San Francisco, we set up filters for company headcount, function, seniority level, geography, and industry. After applying these filters, what was once a broad and generic search has now transformed into a highly targeted list of prospects, each perfectly aligned with my niche. All right, with your LinkedIn strategy well underway, the next crucial step is to captivate and grow your audience through thoughtful content strategy. Effective content not only showcases your expertise, but it also attracts new followers to your professional circle. So start by defining a robust content strategy. You should be understanding your audience deeply. What challenges do they face? What solutions are they seeking? What conversations resonate with them? These types of insights will guide the type of content you create, ensuring it is both engaging and relevant. Now, if you're unsure about what content to produce, reflect on your own skills, understand your target audience, and draw from your experiences. The goal is to deliver value, whether through sharing knowledge, providing solutions, or inspiring your audience to achieve their goals. Your content should consistently highlight your expertise and provide value, reinforcing your position as a thought leader and making your profile a go-to resource. Now, in terms of what you actually post, keep your feed dynamic and interesting by varying your types of content. You can mix up your posts with stories, tutorials, questions, free resources, memes, and even interactive elements like polls. Just make sure you're keeping your content relevant to your niche. And remember, consistency is the key to building and maintaining visibility on LinkedIn. Establish a posting schedule that aligns with your lifestyle and stick to it. Whether it's sharing insights twice a week or engaging daily with your network, maintaining a regular presence ensures that you remain top of mind with your connections and helps LinkedIn's algorithm continue promoting your content. Now, effectively managing your time is also crucial when it comes to content creation. A highly effective method for this is batching. This is where you dedicate a block of time to create a bulk load of content all at once. For example, you might set aside one day to write several engaging posts or prepare a series of educational videos. Once your content is prepared, the next step is scheduling. With LinkedIn's built-in post scheduling features or tools like Hootsuite or Buffer, you can schedule posts throughout the week. This practice ensures a steady flow of content and maintains a consistent presence on LinkedIn, eliminating the need for daily manual posting. These tools also provide valuable analytics that help you track the performance of your posts and tailor your strategy based on what resonates most with your audience. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to elevate your LinkedIn game by optimizing your profile, targeting the right connections, and strategically using content to grow your network. These steps are designed to not just increase your follower count, but to enrich your professional interactions and open up new opportunities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable sales tips. As always, thanks for watching, happy prospecting, and I'll see you in the next video.